Every time you walk into the grocery store and see a giant bouquet of flowers, remember, they came from a farm. Today, I'm visiting Delphi Flower Farm in Olympia, where Sheila Canning is sharing some of the beauty of her crops with me.
We have the zinnias here.
These are like one of my favorites.
Have you heard of the wiggle test? You know, when they're ready to harvest when they don't wiggle like that?
Really?
So if you were to harvest him, he would wilt within hours.
It's like being in a candy store,
Yes.
kind of, you know, you're like, ah.
Exactly.
Although the property is thriving with flowers now, when Sheila first moved in, it was in pretty rough shape.
When I first bought it, it had been a motocross track. It was left abandoned, and so of course, the first species to move in were Himalayan blackberry and Scotch broom, invasives.
A lot of people, when they purchase property, they say, what am I gonna do with this? I need some help, I need some resources.
Sarah Moorhead is the executive director at the Thurston County Conservation District. When they got the call from Sheila, they knew just what to do.
Originally, our conversation started just around managing some invasive species.
All it took was a phone call, and they were extremely engaged and ready and willing to help right away.
We've helped her with a farm conservation plan and sort of think about her whole entire farm as one cohesive landscape. We've brought a lot of school groups out here to do plantings, to learn about wildlife, and learn about a working farm.
One of the biggest projects they worked on together is the stream. As water levels rise later in the season, this creek provides vital habitat for fish, all thanks to Sheila and her collaboration with the Conservation District.
There was a culvert that was blocking salmon runs from coming further up McLean Creek. We replaced this whole bridge, took the culvert that was blocking out, and it opened up almost 2 miles of salmon spawning habitat.
That's awesome.
We want to see thriving ecosystems, we want to see thriving ag economies, and how can we work on both of those together? Because we need both of those to survive. And I think the Voluntary Stewardship program is one of the things that takes a bite out of that.
That's a program where landowners volunteer to basically steward the land for future generations.
Yeah. So this is sort of a breath of fresh air opportunity for them to say, okay, what works for me? What works for this specific piece of property?
They're not going to tell you what to do, they're here to help, not to make or enforce rules.
I think we want to live on in perpetuity and sort of help every generation coming into the future to learn about their landscape, find their sense of place, and steward our shared resources. We just want to be around for the long haul to help people.